Joey, big performance, big win. You must be happy with that.
Yeah, we're delighted. Like, it's such a tough place to come. Over the last few years, we've come and we've fell short, but huge credit to the boys. Like, we came back, they were ahead of us 2 or 3 times in that game, so we stuck to our guns and we came back. So we wanted to put out a good performance and keep it ticking over now. So yeah, we're delighted.
Coupled with last week's game, this gives you great momentum going into Europe.
Yeah, 100%. Like, but look, we're looking at steps. This is just another step, so we got to keep going. This is kind of defining our season, so we got to keep moving on.
I just want to bring your captain in there if I can. Peter, congratulations on the win. You must be very delighted coming up here getting a win.
Yeah, look, you know, every time we come up here, we know how big a task it is and how difficult it is to get a win. You know, I'm very proud of the lads. I think we went behind twice, and you know, to come back, you know, it shows a lot of battle up here because, you know, as I said, it's a difficult place to come and play.
Some great influences in around the park. Chris Farrell back is really important, but Dan Goggin as well in the centre had a great game.
Yeah, I thought the two boys were superb today. You know, it's great to have guys come back from long-term injuries, and you know, they were super today.
And this man here put in a man of the match performance as well. You must be happy the way competition is going in those places.
Yeah, it's very important for us. You know, you need big squads if you're going to compete. You need guys pushing each other, and you know, we've built a bit of depth now, and guys are putting each other under pressure, which is what you need.
Wish you all the best for the rest of the week. Joey, you are the Guinness man of the match, and here to present is Ronald O'Donnell from Guinness. Congratulations.